In the fast-paced world of luxury hospitality, every moment counts. What if I tell you that with BotSpice Virtual Concierge, you can do these and more? BotSpice Virtual Concierge empowers your business to drive your top-line growth by enabling direct room bookings, upselling services, and boosting in-property spend. Deliver personalized experiences by analyzing guest profiles and preferences, and tailor services to their needs. Streamline operations with real-time data insights, optimize staff performance and service delivery. Build a sustainable future by promoting local culture, eco-friendly practices, and community engagement. If that's not enough, it seamlessly integrates with your hotel's existing systems, ensuring a unified operations and guest experience. Transform your business with BotSpice Virtual Concierge. Book a demo now.